Hey guys, this is Michael here from DibDuo, and today I really wanted to show y'all how to create an under construction page for your website. Let's say you're trying to make something for your website and you really don't want people to see the content that you have right now. The best way to do that is to create some kind of like start page that just basically says, hey, this website's under construction. It'll be up soon. You could even put a date or whatever. And so I'm basically going to show you what that will look like. So I'm going to connect to my FTP server, and there's actually nothing here in this subdirectory. And so this is the basic web page. So you can see that there's a cgi.bin and an FTP quota, and they're both right here. So this is the same file directory, and so what I want to do here is I want to create an index.php file. Index.php file is basically what a web page or whatever a web browser looks for whenever they go to a specific directory. So index.php. So now we have an index.php. So if I refresh the page, you shouldn't be able to see the index of. So if I refresh, see now it's just gone and it's a blank. It's just reading a blank index.php file. So I just want to click view-edit. Okay. And with this, interesting. Let's try that again. Okay, whatever. So I'm just going to start by making a head, or I'm going to make it HTML. So HTML is what we're going to be coding in, and this is basically the most basic way to do it. And then within an HTML tag, I'm going to, let's do a -HTML. Within this HTML tag, I'm going to make a head tag, and then a -head tag, and that's just to close it. And inside of this head tag, I'm going to make a title and a -title. Okay, so basically what this title does is it gives a name for your website, and it'll show it right here. So let's say I want to do under construction. I click save, upload it back to my server. It says under construction right here. Pretty basic. Let's get a little bit bigger here. Let's start the body of the file. So this is basically what people will see. So let's create an attribute within this body. Let's make a background color, and the attribute, what it's called, is BG color. And then BG color equals, let's say, you could either put a number, a hexadecimal number, like whatever. FFFFF is white, so nothing's gonna change. Probably should have done something different, but yep, still white. So let's change it to black, which is 0000000. Okay. So now it's black. Alright. Now we could also do actual like text. So let's say I wanted to make it green, I could just type in green, with quotation marks in between. So green. Now if I upload the file back to the server, background's green. Alright, I'm gonna leave it as green right now. Okay, so let's go back to this. Okay, let's make something within the body. So let's say that we want to have everything. Well, let's just say I type hello. So what this is going to do is write hello right here. Okay, but that doesn't look very good. It's not formatted at all, so let's make this formatted. So the easiest way to do this is called a font tag. And so font And let's say I wanted to change the type of font, like Times New Roman or Arial or whatever. I'm going to change, all you have to do is type in face equals, I'm going to do Arial. And I'm also going to change the color to white, so I type in color. And then I'm actually just going to type in white. That should be good. And let's do a dash font. Okay. So now, if everything was done right, should have it in Arial, and the font is now white. Let's try to make this font bigger. So the best way to do this is to use a H1 tag, and basically like H1 is the biggest of the biggest H tag. It goes down to H6, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but so the bigger the number, the smaller the text is. So H1 is going to be the biggest. So I'll just show you. So now, if we refresh the page, it's big, right? It's not huge, but it's big. Let's say, just to prove it to y'all, let's change it to H4. This will be H4. Definitely smaller, right? Okay. So let's go back to H1. And let's say this website is under construction. Okay. Not too hard, right? Which website is under construction? Okay. I don't really like it going to the left like that, so that's not a really hard thing to change. It's actually really simple, actually. You use the center tag, and I'll do a dash center right here. You don't really have to close your tags, it just makes it look clean. It's up to you. I could leave the center tag open and it won't break anything, there won't be any errors. That's what I do like about HTML, is that it's pretty versatile and you don't really have to be real detail oriented with it. So this website is under construction, and let's copy this. And let's say, please check back later. Okay, so this isn't going to look right, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. It's going to be, oh, well, okay, it looked right. Technically, if you want to do an enter here, what you really have to do is type in BR. And BR is basically a break line, and a break line is so that you go to the next line. So if I do BR, it should be a little bit more spread apart. So yep, see, it's a little bit more spread apart. It's up to you. I'm going to leave one BR in there, break line, just so that I know that it'll be spread apart. So, there you go. Let's see. Let's say another way to do is an HR, and an HR is just basically a line through the entire middle of the web page. So I just change it right there, so it should be a line between the website is under construction and please check back later. So I'm just giving you some basic HTML. Oh gosh, basic HTML little tags there. Let's say that, okay, this is the last thing I'm going to show y'all. Let's move that and upload this back. Okay, let's say that we want an image, you know, like an under construction image to make the website look all fancy or whatever. All we have to do for that is, let's go to Google, right? let's search up under construction website. Okay, I'm just gonna choose a real quick random one here. Okay, well, I'm looking for one that that has a transparent background. This one. Okay. So this one has a transparent background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, well, let's see if I can do it this way. No. Okay. I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna do it this way. I really don't want to download it. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to copy the link address. This is the fastest way to do it. What I'm doing is I'm copying exactly where this image is saved. So it's churchedit.co.uk, content pages, uploaded image, 306.gif, or GIF. So with that, I'm going to open back up my index.php file, and I'm going to type in img, and that's the image tag. And then I'm going to say src, which is source. And the source of the image is going to be this long web page. No, that's not right. Let's do this. Control C. Oh, use the Google. So there we go. So churchedit.co.uk, uploaded image.gif. So now if I save that, upload this, it should be put right above the website. It's under construction, and there it is. It doesn't look pretty, but it's the best thing that I had at the time. So now what this says is the website is under construction, please check back soon. Nothing fancy, but it gets people to not see what you're working on, and that's always convenient. So like I said, I'll probably be making more videos like this. If you like this video, please like it. That's about it. Have a great day.